Okay, so let's get started through our today's topic, that is about determiners. If we go through the definition of determiners, determiners are words that introduce a noun, means the words that are used before a noun, or we can say noun phrase, and provide some information about it. Provide some information about it, like what kind of information it provides, like to determine whether it is a specific or general, are known as our determiners. Like the determiners are words that introduce a noun that are used before a noun or noun phrase and provide some informations about it, like what kind of information it provides, whether to determine that whether it is specific or general. But they do not describe it. They just only provide some information about it but do not describe it. If we go through the types of determiners, first it comes about articles. An article is a word that modifies or describes the nouns, means that modifies or describes the noun, tells us about its modification and describes it. It includes our two one, that is indefinite article and the definite article. Indefinite article we have a and n, and the definite article the. Like for example, we have an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So a and n, that are indefinite articles, are usually that performs the function of determining the noun which is singular, countable and common. Like what kind of noun? Singular, countable and common noun. And the opening sound, vowel and constant, vowel with n and the constant with a of the word that decide the use of a or n. Usually it comes about our definite article, that is about the. The is used before a noun that has already been mentioned or that can be easily understood. So next we have our demonstratives. They describe the position of an object seen from the speaker's viewpoint. They describes us the position of an object, of such an object that is seen from the speaker's viewpoint. Means someone or somebody who says or speaks something from his or her viewpoint it is seen. And this include this, that, these, those. Example we have of demonstrative are: this map is quite confusing, that girl won the championship, these mangoes are sour, like that. Next it comes about the demonstratives, like we are using, which are used to point towards the noun. This, that, these, those are demonstrative which are used to point towards noun. They functions both as an adjective also and as a pronoun also they work. Next it comes about are numbers. The numbers determiners are like they can be cardinal and both ordinals. Cardinal that include like we have 1, 2, 3 etc., and the ordinals first, second, third, like that. Example you have: add 1 teaspoon sugar to my tea, give me the first bag on the rack. So like this you have numbers of determiners which are further subdivided into two, that is cardinal and the one is ordinal. Like you can also say that the cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, these express the quantity, that tells us how many: 1 bag, 2 pencil, 3 toffees, like that. Whereas ordinals we have first, second, third, they express the order of things that are in the sequence. They usually tells us about the level or position in a group or in something, like first section, second bench, third floor, like that. Next we have our quantifiers. They are adjectives or phrases that serve to answer two possible questions. Means they are quantifiers, adjectives, or we can say they are phrases that usually serve any two possible questions. Like when we says them and we read them, we get two possible questions, like how many and how much. Tells us about quantity, like in how many, how much, in that kind of we get, like few, little, less, much, many, a little, a bit, a great deal, of, more, some, any. These include this. Like for example you have: he has few friends, there is little time to complete the project, how much money do you need, I know many people in this city, like that. So quantifiers, always remember that we get two possible questions from this: how many and how much. They fix the noun by giving its appropriate number or an appropriate amount to it. Okay, so next we have our possessives, that shows the possession with somebody or something. Like possessive pronouns and adjectives, they function as both pronouns and adjectives that indicates who an object belongs to, what and thing possess to, like what to somebody or something a thing belongs to, possesses something or somebody, like that. You have mine, yours, his, hers, its, my, your, his, her, and it. These are all about possessives. Example, you can take: my book is on the table, your scarf is fashionable, our class teacher is on leave today, his brother shall meet us at the station. Like that, it usually possess, like what something or somebody belongs to. Okay, that words that determine the ownership of a certain thing or a person, we can say. The possessive always refer to the possessor, which is normally the subject of the sentence. We have subject and the other complement. Next we have our distributives. The words all, both, half, each, every, either, neither are known as distributive. Distributive, that distributes the quantity. Another part of quantity that distributes the quantity. Like each, every, both, neither, either, other, another, enough, most, several, all. These all comes in our distributives. Examples we have: each boy came forward to help the villagers. Neither of these men can run fast. Both of us like the heels. Can I have another pen? Most people believe in God. There are several reasons behind this existence. Many examples you have. Okay, so this is clear to you about distributives, that the words all, both, half, each, these all are that you know why they are said so, because they determine a group or an individual within a group only. Okay, so this is about this. Next we have our interrogative. Okay, so if we say are about interrogative determiners, there are three main interrogative determiners: which, what, and whose. Which, whereas if we says which and whose are specific determiner, while what is a general determiner. Like from which sandwich would you like, or which book do you want, what is for dinner today, what is this noise about. Whose also comes in this: whose PE kit is this, whose bag are you carrying, like that interrogatives to form about the questions that inquire about a thing or a person. So here we have whole table about it. You can understand easily from it. Like we have here, determiners are used in front of nouns to indicate whether you are referring to something specific or something of a particular type, like something specific or something general. It includes. Okay, so possessives: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Ordinals we have in the numbers that comes first, second, third, next, last. Next, last also comes in ordinals. Quantifiers: much, some, no, any, many, enough, several, little, all. That says about the quantity. Lot of, plenty of, another. Articles a and the. Distributive: each, every, neither, either. Numerals also we have, like numbers 1, 2, the cardinal numbers you can say. 1, 2, 3, 10, 50, 100, 1000 also comes in this. And the predeterminers, that includes about the distributives: all, of, what, such, rather, quite, twice, double, both these include this. Okay, so this is about our determiners. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.